When people are being hyped up that foreigner is a problem, this is the consequences up here. In this community where this foreign owned businesses is located, in this community, this foreigner has been doing business with the local people in that environment for years since he set up this business. The locals came to buy goods from him. Even the locals even collect credit on this foreign owned business owner in this environment in Bloemfontein. Because of this protest that has been happening for long, people are being hyped thinking foreigner is the problem. As a result, the consequence is this. Just imagine the man is groaning, crying that they have looted his business. And as they have looted his business, you think this when this business closes, this man is going to open this business again? As people are being hyped to protest and loot, the local economy of that community will suffer. And the people that have lost their job, the unemployment rate will increase. Let them continue.
আমার স্বপ্ন, আমার আশা, আমার স্বপ্ন, they are taking all, they are looting all. আমার স্বপ্ন, আমার আশা সব শেষ করে দিয়েছে এক নিমিষে. They are taking all everything. You see, is dust. They are taking all everything. আমার স্বপ্ন, আমার আশা, আমার স্বপ্ন, আমার আশা সব শেষ, সব শেষ. Guys, I can't take nothing at night. Whole night I can't sleep. I am wake up. They are taking all everything. Please pray for us, pray for South African, pray for South African. They are taking all everything, looting. আমার আশা, ভালোবাসা, আমার স্বপ্ন সব শেষ. সবার নিকট দোয়া চাই আল্লাহ যাতে এই ক্ষতি কাটিয়ে ওঠার তৌফিক দান করে. সবার নিকট দোয়া চাই.